People need hormone replacement therapy because as we age, our hormones get out of whack. And oftentimes this causes symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, moodiness, irritability, and other things like hot flashes and low libido. There are a lot of ways to correct hormonal imbalances, but what we have here at CosmetiCare, it's called pellets. And pellets are bioidentical hormones, which means that the pellets contain hormones that look exactly like the hormones in your body naturally. One of the most common complaints I hear is that people work out harder than they ever have and they eat healthier than they ever have, but they still can't lose weight. And oftentimes that's because of hormone imbalances. So for both men and women, when we correct those imbalances, we see that patients increase muscle mass and lose weight too. If you're interested in hormonal replacement therapy, what I'll have you do is come in for a consultation. We'll go over the symptoms that you're experiencing and your health history. Next, we'll get some blood work and see what's causing those symptoms, like your fatigue and weight gain. Oftentimes, it's nutritional deficiencies, your thyroid may be a little off, and unsurprisingly, your hormones may be out of whack too. The pellet procedure is really non-invasive and it takes only a couple minutes. The incision that I use to insert the pellets is tiny because pellets are about the size of a grain of rice. How many pellets you get depends on your sex, your age, your weight, and your activity level. The healing process is pretty easy. Just for a couple of days, I don't want you to do any glute exercises, no squats, no deadlifts, but you can exercise your upper body and walk. After the pellet procedure, we generally start to feel better about a week after, but the best results take about 4 weeks and sometimes 6 weeks depending on the person. I love hormone replacement therapy because within a month, I'm having patients call me saying how much better they feel, how much more energy they have, how they've lost weight and gained muscle. It's so satisfying to see patients really benefit from this procedure. So we have hormone replacement therapy at CosmetiCare because it's no secret we want you to look good, no matter if it's Botox, fillers, lasers, or surgery. We want you to look good, but we also want you to feel good too, and that's where hormone replacement therapy really comes in.